Well, hey. Welcome back to the channel, Living with Neicey. What's up? Yes, I'm going to tell you what's up. But first, welcome to the channel. If you've never been here before, welcome. Come on over here and join the tribe. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Love to have you. Love you. Bless you. Glad to see you. So, today we are getting ready for Thanksgiving dinner. That's right, we are getting ready for Thanksgiving dinner. And this year I am not going to be doing too much cooking, but I am going to cook some smothered turkey wings. And right now I am cooking some turnip. Well, I'm going to be cooking some turnip and mustard greens. But right now I am boiling my turkey tails. So yeah, that's what's happening today. So if you want to see that, if you want to join in, if you want to celebrate Thanksgiving with us, then stick around and I'll show you what's happening. All right, you guys, right now I am boiling my turkey tails. So I have 3 in here. And they are cooking just right. Look out, steam. Get out the way. But yes, those are my turkey tails. So as soon as those are sort of tender, which they're smoked, but they still have to get tender. As soon as they're tender enough, I'm going to add my greens and all my seasonings. Okay, and over here are my turnip greens. They've all been washed. They've been washed and cleaned and washed and washed and washed. So they are spotless. And these are my mustard greens. Beautiful. And I try to get my greens from Jewel food stores because they come out, they're pretty clean. Don't have to do a whole lot of washing. I mean, there's not a lot of grit and sand. You might find a little bit, but you know, as much as I washed them, and you know, they are very clean. So, but that's what you have to do. And before I put my greens into the pot, I'm going to cut them up so they'll be bite-sized. So yeah, and I'll show you how that's done when I come back. Okay, you all, these are the ingredients that we are going to be using to make my turnip and mustard greens. We have black pepper, granulated garlic, onion powder, crushed red pepper, chicken broth, kosher salt, and better than bouillon, which is really good. I love that. And I'm also, well, inside the pot I have added some chopped up onion. And yeah, so I'm waiting for this to cook down. The turkey tails are cooking really well. Pretty soon I will be adding my greens. So, looking good. Okay, you guys, so Breezy is cutting the greens up. And she's putting them in the bowl. Well, that might be a little bit too big. There you go. Yeah, like roll it. There you go. Watch your fingers. All right, that's good. All right. So that is how we cut our greens. Okay, you guys, this is what our greens are looking like now. I put in some salt, chicken broth, some of the red pepper flakes, onion powder, and some of the granulated garlic. And we're gonna let this cook down. And then we're going to add more seasoning. Now this is 6 bunches of greens. See how that cooks down like that? Okay, I'm going to taste the broth here and see what I need to add. Okay, let's see. Okay, it has enough salt. Tastes pretty good. I'm going to add some of my Better Than bouillon. It also needs more pepper flakes. More pepper. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of sugar. And a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This is looking good. And it smells amazing. So we are going to let this simmer, and I'm going to let this simmer for about a half an hour. I'm going to come back and check it, taste it, see what other seasonings we need. So I'll be back. Okay, you all, we're back and we're getting ready to check on the greens, see what we need to add now. Okay, our turkey tails have cooked up. Look at that. Look how those greens have cooked down. All right, we are going to taste this to see what we need here. Cooking is such a wonderful thing. I love it. But yes, you always have to taste your food to see what other seasonings you need. It's perfect. Yes! But we're going to let this go for a few more moments, and still needs to get a little more tender. So we'll be back. Okay, you guys, our greens are done. And now this is what they're supposed to look like when they are completely done. They're not cooked to mush, but they're good and tender. Okay, so now I am going to fix me a bowl of greens and a little bit of cornbread over here. Well, okay, you guys, my food is all done. I have my wonderful, beautiful bowl of food here, my beautiful greens, and I like to put tomato with mine. I like to cut up tomato with my greens, and I also have my beautiful piece of cornbread there. So yes, I am getting ready to dig into this. And look at it. Look at this. My smoked turkey tails they've cooked down and blended all into the greens. That good flavor has just saturated this pot. All those other seasonings, oh my gosh. Look at that. That is awesome. I'm getting ready to dig in. I'm sorry you're not here for this, but that's how it is. So, I'm getting ready to go in. Get a little bit of this turkey tail. Here it is. It's good. This is good. Seasoned just right. Get a little bit of this cornbread too. But these greens are for tomorrow's dinner. So tomorrow we're having smoked turkey wings. Well, no, smothered turkey wings and dressing, baked sweet potatoes, mac and cheese, and these good old mixed greens. I wish I could share this with you guys. Well, you guys, that's it for today. Hope you got some inspiration out of this video. Maybe you can make yourself some turnip greens and mustard. It's really easy. Just put everything in the pot, let it go. But you gotta know what to put in the pot. You gotta make sure you clean your greens really well, because you don't want to be eating a bowl of greens and when you finish you have sand at the bottom of your bowl. That's just nasty. So yes, love you all and have a blessed day.